My name's Chris, and I've been at RVi for about 3.5 years now. When I'm not at work, I love music production, so I'm a musician and a singer, so a lot of the time I'm doing that. I also love doing video work. I do a lot of it here as well. I'm responsible for all of our video stuff, but I love doing it outside of work as well. My favorite part of being at RVi has to be how much I've learned and grown over having been here. Just the amount of things I've learned. There's so many great teachers and mentors here that have just made me so much better, both as a human being, as an employee, just in every area of life. I feel like the amount of things just the amount of wisdom and knowledge in this building is really incredible. So one thing I'd really like for customers to know is that our whole goal is to delight them. Whether that's from a product and R&D standpoint, whether that's from the way we say things in the customer service department, we just have tried to craft things in such a way that our products are the last thing you have to worry about. We want you to just be able to get in your RV and drive. We want you to be able to tow without worry, to be able to experience your travels stress-free. It's really just central to everything that we do. And so, that's why we're here, is to delight you. And, we're gonna keep striving for it.